Hello Mani Bharti. I hope you are doing very well. I hope your parents and your brother is also doing very well. It has been more than 8 months that you have left the campus. Okay, and since then I am missing you. As the birthday is coming very soon, I wish you all a very great birthday. I wish you that all your future endeavors, all your future dreams will come true. Since the time I saw you the first, okay, I really liked you. I clearly remember that it was September 2016 when I joined the school, and next year in 2017 I saw you first when you came to meet your brother, and I was taking the class in when your brother was in 12th standard, and I saw you first and you were looking so childish. Okay, in last 2.5 years till the time I saw you in the campus, you, even though the time has changed, but your way of talking, the way of giving respect to the teachers, the way of your behavior hasn't changed a little bit, and I really liked it very well. I always enjoyed talking to you, teaching to you, giving guidance for your future. I have seen one thing that the legacy which your parents have given to your brother, same legacy you are following. The that I like the most. It happens to every teacher that whenever he or she goes to class, whenever they talk to any student, whenever they meet any student, okay, the way the students behave, the teachers think that it is the same way the parents are behaving with each other at home and also the other family members, okay. And when you talk, when you behave, when you have done any activity, it always have admired me that your parents are taking a very great care of you. And also when I meet your parents, okay, I have seen that they have a lot of dreams, okay, for you and your brother as well. Okay, I taught your brother for 1.5 years and you around 2 years, and I have got a great you can say similarity among you. Okay, both of you are doing very well. I don't talk much in campus, but I see, I listen, I watch, I observe very clearly about each and every person, about each and every student in the class, in campus as well as outside campus. Okay, it happens that the students' behavior in the campus and outside campus is totally different. Okay, because in the campus they have a little control. Okay, they are being controlled by the management, by the staffs. Okay, but when once they get out from the campus, when they are free, okay, they behave totally different. I have come across many students whose behavior is totally different. It is like blood moon when they come outside, and in campus it is like salient water. Okay, but your behavior inside campus or outside campus was too good. Okay, so it has made me to think that this child is not fake. Okay, it is like when a child is behaving differently in campus and outside campus, it is like the child is fake. But in case of you and your brother, both of you are very genuine. I got it. The things which I like you in the most is you are like very deep ocean which is always silent but gives a lot of secrets inside it. Okay, when I went to a class to take lessons, I have seen you staying silent, but the best one in the class. I like the way you talk, I like the way you behave, not only with me, with the other staff also. Then your childish behavior, okay, then the depth of knowledge you have gained by yourself, not with the help of any other friend or from any other staff. Then I have seen you were open-minded. That means you were always open to study something new, to learn something new, to participate in something new, and it is the best endeavor, it is the best thing which a child, which a student should have, and you have all of it. This video is made by me, but it was being asked by Sumitra Miss, okay, our sister. Okay, I think I am very blessed. Okay, and you also that she is as a sister in our life. Then from last 2-3 weeks, she was asking me to make a wishing video for you, and because of my exams, I was not able to make. Every day she was messaging me on WhatsApp or social media to make a video to give you blessings. Okay, but because of my exams preparations, I was not able to do that. Now I am doing it because today is Sunday, even though tomorrow is my exam, but today I have got some free time, some relaxing time, and I am making it. Okay, it is not because it is Sunday and I am making it. It is because the way Sumitra Miss has asked me, okay, the way she has requested, and also it was your birthday. It is your birthday coming very soon. Okay, so I am giving my time. As it comes to give attention, I become too much conservative. Conservative in the sense that I don't give any attention to any person whom I don't like. Okay, if I giving my time to you or to Sumitra Miss or to Mani Bharti, okay, it means that you all really are a very good companion of me, a very good acquaintance for me. Okay, like a family. Since I joined the school, okay, from last 4 years I have seen you, but I know your father for more than 8 years. And the first time I came in Sri Perumbudur, when I was working in SLUX at that time, it was your father first who has helped me here, and not only then, okay, whenever we meet, he always greets me, okay, he always show respect to me, and so do I. I have gone to your home many times. You also have, your brother has come to me, okay, to my house many times. I hope someday you will also come, okay, not only you, but with your parents. Your brother will also come here, and we will meet. We will have dinner together. We will have outings together, okay. Then we hope as soon as possible, as we will get some free time, okay, me, you, your brother, your parents, Sumitra Miss, and other persons also who are very close to us, will have a gathering, okay, somewhere near Sri Perumbudur or outside. I haven't seen any negative points in you in last 3-4 years, and I hope that in future also you will be like same. Though it happens that when a student comes out from school campus and starts the journey of college, the behavior changes. But I request you to be sincere the way you were in your school. Okay, the same way, the same childish way, the same silent way you should be in future also, because it makes you unique among others. It makes you special also, and also it makes the other person to give time to you. Okay, it will, your behavior is now will always help you in future also if you keep it in same way as you are now. So at last I will only say that your all dreams will come true. You will fulfill your dreams as well as your parents' dreams. And Sumitra Miss, she has a lot of hope on you. She thinks a lot of things related to your future, related to your career. Okay, we have talked earlier also about what you should do in future for your career. It also means that there are many persons who are always thinking about your goodness for future, and it is because of the respect you give to them. Okay, and it is the uniqueness in you and your brother also. See, I am not from Tamil Nadu, I am from Bihar. I am just like a migratory bird. Wherever I will get at the time, I will migrate from here, but wherever I will go, it may happen that maybe after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, I will forget your name, but I will never forget your face, and I will never forget the way you have given respect to me. Then, not only to you, to your brothers also, there are very few persons whom I met in Tamil Nadu, especially in Sri Perumbudur, which will be a part of my life, which will always be special in my life. It is human's nature that we meet new people, we forget the old one, okay, but when it comes to me, okay, the only thing I can promise is that I will never forget you. It is not because of my forgetfulness. It is because of your respect, your brother's respect, your family's respect, which you have shown towards me. And other than respect, it is your behavior which will make me always think good of you. Okay. So at end, I will only say that happy birthday to you. Have a great endeavor, have a great life ahead, and I hope one day your parents will be recognized by your name. I hope one day I will think that there was one child whom I have given some lessons, and now he is doing very great in future. See, in life, only 3 persons are there who will always think that your life must be better than theirs. Okay, it first is your parent, okay, your siblings, and the second one is the third one is the teacher who to whom you have got your education. So I bless you from the core of my heart. Okay, I thank to Sumitra Miss who has given me this chance to make a video for you, and I hope we will meet soon. Once again, happy birthday. Okay, do things great in your life and make us feel proud of you. Bye bye.